Oh, I think I just saw a coin jump out. 99. That's the signals I wanted with the mega coil. Right, I'll get that cleaned up and get back to you. Yeah, George III, he's a bit wasted. Britannia's on there somewhere. On to the next. There's a bit of a huddle going on over here.
Oh, it's got a hole on it, yes.
Mm.
It's only half of it.
Bizarre.
Like a tea infuser or something.
Looks like another hole there.
Yeah.
Both sides.
I think I just filmed what you find because that Lorenz is giving me backache. Because there's a big lump of metal on my chest and I'm constantly looking down at it.
Maybe some sort of whistle? I don't know.
Yeah. No idea.
Because that would have obviously been... I'm only going by that.
Yeah, you're right.
Which is like a reed, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's a whistle.
Yeah.
Oops. I'll go along with that, I think.
Yeah. Best guess. Yeah.
I've had another...
Silver ring?
No. You've seen that one. I've had another coin. I don't know where it is, isn't it? Somewhere. Must be that one.
Yeah, it's that one, I think.
George V.
Yeah.
And an elephant.
Yeah.
Well, that's nice.
I think it's pewter.
Yeah.
I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Would have had a little loop on the top, I imagine.
Like a charm or some, or a necklace.
Or key ring or...
Yeah.
I don't know.
Really know.
And one of those.
Oh, that's quite old.
Medieval.
That's an old one, though.
It's an old
Old.
one.
This is a key. That's called a keyhole horseshoe. So that's Elizabeth
Yeah.
I.
Oh, right. Elizabeth V. We ain't got that far yet.
Elizabeth I, I said.
First, yeah.
Well, here's my finds. Oh, coin and loads of melted aluminium. And an ear tag. And a mood tube. And a nail. Bent nail. He's rummaging.
Parasol
Oh, yeah.
bits. Don't know what that is. A ring off somewhere.
It's broken off there, look.
It's a ring-a-ding day for me.
So, yeah, it's a ring-a-ding thing.
A ring-a-ding day.
Well, that's a row, isn't it?
I don't know if it's a olive or not.
Well, it's got a goldish colour.
Yeah. But it's got a groove around the inside,
Yeah.
which makes it not an olive. Which is weird. I don't know what it is.
Do you want a spray?
Nah, it's not a ring.
Yeah.
It wouldn't have that sharp bit on the
Yeah,
inside.
it's definitely sharp, yeah.
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 I found that out when I cleaned it.
That's my lovely
Oh,
button.
lovely button. Yeah, got some sort of dragon on there or something.
Yeah.
Come on, focus, pesky camera.
That's just a button,
Yeah, lovely button. Weird looking thing.
There's a shotty end or something, now I'm thinking about it.
Oh, we got some edible mushrooms.
Missed.
Dark soil.
Shrapnel.
Shrapnel. Come on, focus. Yep, shrapnel. Must have been an aircraft gun round here. Oh, Sue's on the silver. Oh, yeah. That's George IV. This is rare.
Oh, really? 1838, I think it's that.
And look, George IV. That's a rare coin. You don't find him very often. Yeah, 1838. Or was it 6? I can't tell. Go on, let's get a bit closer. Can you see it better, my lovers? Lovely. Oh, there's a lovely sweet smell in this field. Oh, it's just been muck spreaded, and it is sticking to me boots like crazy. Ugh. Look. Lovely. Oh, that was giving me a banging signal. Banging. Over a foot down. It's a Roman weight. Look at that. Nicked it slightly. Roman. Is it steel yard weight? Oh, yeah. There's Roman in these fields. That's a cracker. Oh, I tell you what, look at the colour of this soil here. Black. That's what you want to see, black soil. And I've got a pretty wasted coin here. Not going to see much on that, I don't think. Nope. On to the next. Oh, I got something down here. I think I got a coin. Oh yeah, it's a good big one. Or was it a token? Yep, what's that? I think it's a token. Right, so I can clean that up a bit. Well, I can see a head on there. And it's almost like George III sort of coin. And Britannia's on the back somewhere. We'll see her. There, I think. But it's pewter. It's like a George III type coin, but made of pewter, which is odd. Well, Shaun's on the roll. He's found some coins and now some gold.
Well, we think it might be gold.
We think it might be gold.
It was a Vicky farthing.
So that's the coin he found. Vicky farthing, but we got something a bit more interesting. Oh, another penny.
Another one.
Yeah, another Vicky. This field has never been detected before, apparently.
Toasted one.
Toasted.
Won't get nothing off that.
Let's have a look at the...
This is the interesting one.
This is the interesting one. Yeah, it's very shiny. If it's silver, it would be very shiny for silver. Ooh, look at that, got a stone in it. What's the weight like?
925. What is that? Silver, isn't
silver
it?
in it. Yeah, silver.
I'm alright with that.
Yeah, yeah, I'd be happy with a silver ring.
Yeah.
Considering the day we've actually just had. Okay, we've been a bit disappointed the coil didn't perform that hugely well, but it might do next time.
It was still a learning experience. Which is,
yeah, sapphire, is it?
which is all good.
Is that sapphire green?
Sapphire and a diamond.
Sapphire and a diamond. 925. Yeah, you can clearly see the 925 too.
Yeah.
No maker's mark or anything, just 925.
Which is normal for silver, isn't it?
Lovely jubbly. Well done, Shaun. That's it, me lovers. We're going to head off home. Not going to the pub today. Cheers!